Hey guys, welcome to A29, and today in this video we are going to learn and create masking text animation in Filmora. First, let's have a look what we are going to create today. To create it, go to the title, drop the default title on the timeline, double click on it, select text and enter your word. Change font to any bold font and make your word italic and increase text spacing by 4. Drop another default title on the timeline, go to the advanced, click on add shape and select line. You can change the line color if you wish to. Delete text track, align the line position, split both the clip at 1 second and second frame and delete the rest of the clip. Now we are going to create a mask. For that, go to the sample color, drop black color on the timeline, keep it as long as text clip size, double click on it and align its position. Rotate it bit and align its x-axis and y-axis position. Select line text clip, go to the animation, add a blank keyframe, place the playhead at 1 second and make the line travel from left to right with the help of x-axis. Now select the black color, add a blank keyframe at the starting point, place the playhead at 1 second and slide black color to the right to cover the text. Perfect. Now export it at a higher rate. Let's create a second clip. First, change your word to any other word. Place the playhead at the starting point. Delete both the keyframe from the black color and change the mask position towards the right side of the orange line. Place the playhead at 1 second and define the mask position behind the orange line and export it at a higher rate. Hide all the clip on the timeline and bring back all the clips which we have created. Drop first clip on the timeline and then drop the second clip on the timeline and change the blending mode of second clip to lighten. That's it. This is the end result. Now let's render it and play it. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye.
Thank you.